Hey, welcome guys. Thanks for coming back to my channel today. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Welcome to my tip of the day. Today I want to talk about Answer the Public. It's a great little tool for us all to use, anybody in the online space. Okay, if you're looking to get into this, this is where a lot of people find the best content ideas. All right, and it's absolutely free to use. I think you can use one search a day on a free account. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you exactly what it's about. But basically, Answer the Public is a free online tool. It's basically going to help us as creators and marketers to understand what people are searching for on the likes of Google, okay, and Bing and any other sort of online search engines. So what people are searching for gets tracked back to Answer the Public, and this is where we can get ideas of what content to create to ensure we're going to get a good hit and a good following content, following on the back of creating that specific topic, because we know people are already searching for it, so we know it's going to convert well. So let me just share my screen with you guys and I will show you Answer the Public right now. Okay, it is here, right? So you should be able to now see Answer the Public's website. Okay, so as you can see at the top here, you get one free search available. You can unlock 3 free searches per day by creating an account, which I've not done yet. So I've just typed in make extra money, right? They say use 1 to 2 words of best results, but I've just put that in for now, give you an idea. So just go to answerthepublic.com. Put in your search, whatever niche you're involved with, okay, whatever that might be. So as you can see, what it does is it gives you kind of a bit of a pie chart here. So key indicators on the left hand side here. So highly searched, obviously in orange, and then the color fades as the search results get weaker. So if we look at the first pie chart here, search volume 1,300 for make extra money. Cost per click, okay. So if we look at the dots that are really bold, I suppose, so this one here is like, can I make extra money whilst on disability? Where to make extra money? This one here, how to make extra money online. This one's not too bad. So this is how to make extra money in the UK. All right, so there's some there. Scroll down, it gives you even more. So there's 19 extra here. If we look at some of these, the ones in bold, like make extra money without getting a second job. Now that is a really big one, because we know people are searching for that because it's come back in bold. I've made many videos about that myself, and it does get a good response, because let's be honest, who wants to be getting a second job over the weekend? I wouldn't. But I know a lot of people are having to do that. So a lot of people are working 40, 50 hours in the week, and they're working 20, 25 hours over the weekend. It's not sustainable. One, it's also taking you away from your family, so you're not having that time freedom, which is what all of this online business opportunity is about, right? So that's a really big one. This one here, as you can see, make extra money for Christmas. Again, I've created a post about that already, because at the time of recording this, we're in November, so people are starting to think that way. This one, again, make extra money with Amazon. Now, yes, Amazon have affiliate programs, and it wouldn't necessarily be my initial recommendation to get started that way, because they pay quite low commissions. But that's just me. You got to do what's right for you. So that's answerthepublic.com, guys. Very quick tip of the day today, but get into it, use it. It's going to benefit you to create content to attract your perfect customer, whatever niche you're involved with. Well, it hasn't got to be the wealth niche. It can be anything, okay? It could be health and wellness, all right, fitness. It works for every niche, because at the end of the day, it's grabbing that information through search engines, and then it's feeding it back into the software. So check it out. It's completely free to get started and have a look at it. I think, like I say, you get 1 search a day on a free account, which might be all that you need to be able to create 2-3 pieces of content every single day for your business. Hope that helps, guys. I will now see if I can stop sharing my screen, because I'm on a new software and I don't particularly know what I'm doing, but let's have a go. There you go, I'm back on. So have a great day, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please click that button below. And also click on that notification setting if you haven't already, so you get alerts every morning of my tip of the day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. All the best.